In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit an invoice in Zoho Books. Editing invoices is a common task for anyone managing business finances, and Zoho Books offers a user-friendly platform to make this process seamless. Whether you need to change an item, update a quantity, or adjust a price, you'll find that with just a few clicks, you can tailor your invoice to meet your current needs. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the Sales module, which you can find in the left sidebar of your Zoho Books dashboard. The Sales module is where all your customer-facing transactions are listed and managed, making it easy to access and organize your sales activities. Once you've opened the Sales module, the next step is to click on the section labeled Invoices. This will present you with a list of all your invoices. The Invoices section is the heart of your billing system, where you can view, manage, and review all financial interactions with your customers. With your list of invoices in front of you, take a moment to locate the specific invoice you wish to edit. It might be helpful to use the search function or sort through your invoices by date or customer name if you have numerous entries, ensuring you're accessing the correct document. After finding the invoice, select it to open the detailed invoice page. Once you're in, look for the edit icon or button. This is typically found at the top right corner of the page. Clicking this will unlock the various fields and sections of the invoice, allowing you to make changes. Now you can proceed to make your desired changes. Adjust the items, quantities, prices, or any other details that need updating. Be sure to double-check each field to ensure the accuracy of your changes. This attention to detail will ensure your records are correct and your customers receive the correct information. Once you're satisfied with the changes you've made, the final step is to click the Save button. This action confirms and stores your edits, updating the invoice in your system. Always make sure to save your edits. Unsaved changes could lead to discrepancies later on. And that's it. Editing an invoice in Zoho Books is as simple as that. Following these steps ensures your invoicing remains accurate and up-to-date, reflecting any changes in your business transactions. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out and I'll be happy to help. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials to help streamline your business processes.